Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. First key level of support going into Wednesday going to be down here at the $2 mark, and yeah, the market does still have a few more minutes, so you don't need to go to the eye doctor. This candle here is still changing, and if there's any sort of drastic movement, then that'll be cool. We'll just capture it live on video. But as far as what I'm going to be talking about, I see everything still being relevant to however the price closes. First key level here at $2, and that being a very important level of support going forward, because while I'm not saying this is what's going to occur or anything like that, but if the price were to come down to $2 and then just break down below it and continue on down, at that point in time, you would literally have the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price were to come down here to $2, so come down here, behave like that, and then start to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right here. You'd have lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, then from a bigger picture perspective, you'd still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and that $2 is the quote-unquote progress point. Now, what about areas of resistance? Let me get that out of the way. And actually, as I'm speaking, the prices come down here and bounce right off that level. So who knows? Maybe this thing's about to break down through here as I finish up the video here. But resistance-wise, pretty straightforward. The price tried several times to get up through $1.10 and couldn't quite do it. So $1.10, definitely public enemy number one going into Wednesday. So $1.10 and then $1.02 are the two important areas. But like I said, right now it's definitely it's tapping itself right here on $1.02. So if you're watching this video and the price ultimately, because the market doesn't close for about another minute, but if in the final minute the price actually closes down below that area, well, then that would pertain. That would imply that the price is right back to where it started, which, as we've established, is not a sign of strength or anything like that. But so far, so good. It is bouncing right off that level, so it'll be interesting to see how this all plays out tomorrow on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.